Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if this is your first time here. Today I'm doing another Wreath project by shopping my hoard because there's too much crap in my house and I'm not buying anything until all the crap in my house is gone. And I'm just like one of those minimalist YouTubers that has like a chair and like one glass and one ice cube. So I have this Garland from Michael's that I got in grab bag boxes. God, I haven't bought grab bag boxes in like 3 years, so this is probably like 5 or 6 years ago. I have probably 15 of them. They're big, they take up space, they just kind of hang on the wall and protrude because there's so many of them, so I'm gonna turn them into Wreath. They were $30 originally. I don't know what kind of insane person would spend $30 for this, and I think they're only 6 feet. But, you know, people buy Taylor Swift tickets, so I don't know. This might not even be 6 feet. This is not 6 feet. I don't know how long they are. Anyway, I have a Dollar Tree frame. I cut up some pipe cleaners. I was going to do this with cable ties, but I can't find any cable ties, so we're just going to do this. I'm just going to put these at like the intersections, and I don't know how good the coverage of this is going to be. I don't know if I'm going to have to do like on every one or just do like this one and this one, or, you know, this one, and this one. We'll see. But these are just pipe cleaners that I cut into thirds because we don't have to fit a lot in here, so I don't need like a full half pipe cleaner. And I was going to make this into an Easter wreath. You know, because it'll just look like a pine wreath that's mint green or blue or whatever color this is. But I'm trying to look for it right now. My Easter tote is on the bottom of like 15 other totes, and I don't feel like getting it. So unless something changes, I'm sick right now. I have a horrific sore throat, so I just don't feel like doing anything. All right, so I'm gonna take this and start it like right here, I guess. And I'm going to bring this around the back. So see, it's sliding back and forth right now. I'm going to bring this and just cross it over and fold it up. I'm trying to keep it I'm trying to keep it round. Yeah, see, this is definitely not 6 feet. I don't know how long they're supposed to be. But I'll get up and look and I'll put it on the screen if I remember. Alright, so I feel like I'm gonna grab another one. Is there a direction that these are laying? Yeah, that'll work. I think I'm just gonna come in and... Where does this... Oh, it's over here. I was like, where does this end? I'm gonna add this one in. And if you like this project, like if you're like, oh, that's cool, they always have these left over because they're $30. Who is spending $30 for this? Even at 90% off for $3 for something that looks like this thin, I don't know. They always seem to have garlands left over at Michael's after Christmas. So I'm gonna come in here and add that. And I think I'm just gonna keep going around because I think now that I'm looking at it, I'm definitely gonna have to like come through and do every round. Which this one should maybe be enough to get around since the diameter of this one, or is it circumference? This way around. That's gonna be smaller than the outer ring. Okay, I think that was 3, maybe 4. It's sparse in some, I mean, like it's super, look, this looks good. This not so much, but I think that just has to do with where everything's falling. So I got my glue gun on. I'm just gonna come in and, why is this not working? Why are you not working? Where is that piece? Here? Maybe? So anyway, where I feel like there needs to be some more coverage, I'm just gonna stick that in. And I think I'm just gonna go through and yank some of these off. And there is flocking and glitter everywhere. I feel like this is the last spot to fill in over here, just to kind of round this out a little bit better. And then I'm gonna just come in and put some pieces over these areas with the pipe cleaners to cover them up. But you can't see all of them, but just bulk it up a little bit in there. See, I don't think, oh well, it's, I'll stick it in there. What the hell? Business. I think I need another piece. Yeah, well, that's gonna go there anyway. And I think right here is the one. I don't want to put one over here too. So one there to cover that, and then maybe one here, because this looks a little thin. Here. I gotta throw it over that, because if it lands on a dog, he's gonna freak out. How many times am I going to hit this thing with my head? Right, so that's how you can turn a garland into a total mess, but also a wreath. And it's still a little sparse. Like I would put one more right, because I kept seeing that and then I kept turning it and couldn't find it again. So let me just lay one more piece on there. But I mean, so I don't know how much this, let's say it's $1.25 for the Wreath frame, you know, 25 cents for pipe cleaners and glue sticks, and then I couldn't have paid more than $5 for all of these garlands. I think they were all just in one box together, so $6, $6.50 for a wreath base that you can then go through and add a bunch of stuff. I might make another video where I come and just kind of Easterify this wreath, but I don't know. Easter's like Sunday, and I don't feel good, so we'll see. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Keep an eye out on those garlands, or if you have any that you got at home. I think that's pretty good for only 3 or 4 garlands. And if you wanted to make this full price, it would only cost you about $120, so Michaels, come on, get with it. Alright everybody, thanks for watching. Bye.